Hey guys, Ian from Tentworld in Toowoomba, here to talk to you about the Dometic PerfectKitchen 750. So this is a 12 volt kettle with a meter long cable. You've also got this amazing little fixing kit underneath it here. So you've got mounting points at the top, bottom, as well as the side. So you can actually mount it onto a desk or into your car. Inside you've actually got a flat plate underneath so nothing can actually get near your element. And this kettle as a whole will run only 200 watts, which is not very much considering it's a 12 volt kettle. The lighter that you actually use to plug in the actual kettle must have a 20 amp fuse just to make sure it runs absolutely fine. And also it comes with a few different protections, so obviously it'll turn off like a normal kettle as soon as it boils, but also it's got dry boiling protection. So if anything is going wrong with this kettle, it will actually turn itself off. This is only one of a range of a few different kettle solutions that we actually have at Tentworld, so if you want to talk more about it, come in store, jump online and give the guys a question, and or give us a call. Thank you.